Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning mix. It has been like 3 or 4 months since the last video. I made it for Saturday morning mix. It's a collaboration hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm going to link her channel down below. It is just about sharing your creation on Saturday morning. And just you will use the hashtag SatMornMakes. Again, I'm gonna write the details in the description box if you would like to participate. So I have a lot of cards to share with you. All they are related to summertime. Also, I have excited news to share with you, but I will leave it till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let me show you the stamps I used. I used this stamp set by Magnolia, and no, it's the wrong name. So this is the stamp set. It's a scene. I have clouds and the beach and the sand. And also I have another stamp set by Magnolia. This is like a sunset. This is a new stamp by My Favorite Things. This one called Mermaid for Each Other. I think you know which one I use. Then this stamp set, so cute. I just used one stamp, this one, and I don't know why it starts to stains. Usually when I use my any of my inks, I can clean them up and it will not stain like this. I'm not sure if they changed the polymer they use or what. I used this ink by Paper Tray ink, this one called Dark Chocolate, Perfect Match Hybrid ink, and stains. So I'm not sure why. And I used this this one. I used this Protus Monroe cleaner, but still I see the image are stained. So if you know another cleaner who can remove these stains, I would appreciate it. Okay, so these are the stamps. Let me show you the dies. Okay, so we have this dies. I'm not sure if I share these dies. They are sent me by a company called Globleland or Globleland. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. So I use these dies. Again, there's no names for these. It's like layering for under the sea die. Love it so much. And I use this bottle. Also, they send these bottles. Again, they will be linked in the description box. I use this die by My Creative Time. Yeah, this one. Then this large die, it's like pierced die by Mama Elephant called Pizza Pieces. Then I used this die, but I didn't put it in the card, so I have this die anyway. Then I used this stitched wave dies by MFT. I used this sun by Ariel. Let me show it to you. Love it. Then I used this die by Ellen Hudson called Postage. And this also this sun by not Ariel, it's by Ellen. I'm not sure why I get confused between both of them. Okay, and also use these watercolor markers. It's called Karen watercolor. Also used Sennelier watercolors. And my favorite brand is this Rembrandt watercolors. This ink. And some of Distress inks, shades of blue. Okay, so let me share this. Also, I used a couple of my stamped images. I think I shared one of my videos that I have a box full of stamped images when I get excited to try a stamp set. Then after that, if I feel I don't like them or I destash them. So yeah. Anyway, so I used some colored image and I will show it to you in a second. One more thing. The final touch. It's a glitter watercolor or iridescence watercolor by Powell Rubens. Okay, so this is the first card. Love how it turns out. So this is the die by My Creative Times, like etched die. And this is the sun. This is a stamped image by Penny Black. And these are all the wave dies by MFT. I inked up the sky. I watercolor the sea, different, different shades of blue. I used Rembrandt watercolors. I have this stamp set from here. I would cross the whole ocean for you. I love the sentiment. Then I did with white. Yeah, this one, let me show you this. I used this chalk marker just, to highlight the waves. So this is the first card. The second one, this one, so cute. This is the stamped image by Magnolia. It's like a scene. I just die cut this stamp set by Penny Black, watercolor it, and also stamp the same sentiments. I would cross the whole ocean for you. And again, this is the postage die by Ellen Hudson, and this is the pierced die by Mama Elephant. Again, use watercolor, to color my images. Let me take these out from here. Another card using this stamped image by Magnolia, same wave dies, and this cute image by Penny Black. Next card is a shaker card. Here where I used the Globleland dies, I used different shades of blue cardstock by Cut Cardstock. This is the image by MFT, the mermaid. And I used this glossy accents by Crystal Glaze by Tonic, to add bubbles. Unfortunately, I put a card in the top and they were not, dried properly. So they have some paper stick to it, but it's okay. Okay, last card, and it's my favorite. So cute, right? So I die cut different waves from different color cardstock with a dark background. I added some stars, and this bottle I die cut it from clear acetate, and this uni mermaid is inside the bottle. And yeah, it's like magical unicorn. Love how this turns out. Okay, so this is my cards for today. Now I'm going to attach this video to another video where I have the excitement news. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and today I'm very excited to share with you that I am an ambassador for AdornIt, especially for Dianna Marcum stamps. I discovered Dianna's stamps from Marilyn G. Hi Marilyn. So she is the one lets me, dig deep into wooden stamps. Then comes Dianna's stamps and, all these fun stuff. So let me share with you the package that they sent me as a starter package. And I'm going to leave their link in the description box below. First, they sent me this ink called India ink pad, perfect for use with markers and watercolors. Then they sent this also. This is watercolor 24 color compact paint set. I didn't try it yet. So we have this color, or this, with colors. Okay. So this is the watercolor. Then another watercolor product, and this one watercolor pencils. Also, I will try it out. Okay, so this is all designed by Dianna. Let's have all this summer fun paper, and this is like sand. That's very cool. So you have two of each designs. Then we have this I want to say waves. I don't know, or circles. You can definitely die cut a wave. Oh, look at this. Flip flop, I think you call it. Then we have a green gingham. another flip-flop and sunglasses and flowers. Flamingo and pineapple. So beautiful and summery. And we have a polka dot paper. Okay. Okay, let me show you the stamps. Okay. I think this is the recipe stamp. Let me give you like white paper. So this is the stamp. This is another stamp, but I'm not sure. This is maybe the add-on. Tutti Frutti Punch. Yum. Again, I'm going to leave the links for everything I'm showing you here. Then we have another stamp. Sorry, does it have a name? No. Okay, here's another stamp. We have here a pineapple with a flower. Another pineapple wearing sunglasses. This one is a large one. Okay, hello summer. Sunglasses, a flamingo, a cupcake. Yum. And here's a sentiment. Life's too short not to have an umbrella in your drink. Okay, now I'm going to share with you all the cards that I created using all these fun stamps. Okay, so let me show you the first card. This is from this stamp set, Tutti Frutti Punch, and I used this slipper to, you know, create a background, and I used a what do you call this? Vellum, yeah, to tone it down. Then the next card is this one. This is a recipe. This is a pineapple loaf. So I stamped the pineapple on yellow cardstock and green, and just a paper piecing. So I used this cupcake and the flower. And where's the card? Yeah, here it is. So the cupcake in the middle and surrounded by this beautiful flower. And finally, this stamp set. I used both pineapples. They're so cute, and I made this card. Love this one. I love the contrast with this brown cardstock. I used this die called Double Stitch Scalp Rectangle Frames by Memory Box. Yeah. Sorry, by Puppy Stamps. And I made this card. Yeah, so I love all these creations. Had really so much fun creating. My sister was visiting me from Egypt. She spent like 3 weeks here in the United States to experience the summer. The summer here is, I mean, it's not hot like in Egypt. So yeah, she just left and I feel absolutely sad. So I tried to create as much as I can, you know, to, you know, not forget about her, but just to move on, because the house was full of her and her kids, and her husband also joined, you know, us too. So yeah, anyway, I hope you like my creations. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time with another creations. Bye!